These are the TRAX LITE install. Not quite as expensive, and that's all I need to do the job for me. Nothing hectic. So you lay them down where you want it, mark out your 4 holes, and drill them out. Make sure you're spot on. I've got washers on top, that's extra security, and underneath, if you can see it in the dark, I've got mesh underneath. So there's the other one right over there, and then there's one there, and then there's a hole up there. So you got to make sure, if you've got this mesh, to miss hopefully the mesh itself when you drill. Now I've made up some brackets. This is the bracket. I just had some leftover aluminium angle, drilled my holes, made them a little bit bigger than they should be. Being angle, I had to cut out 2 sections just in case I want to get a socket in there or a shifter or something, and that'll go up and bolt. And I've left it long so I'll just be able to push it in, pop it up, and not looking to put a separate bit of metal or something trying to hang on to a washer by itself. So I'll fit them up and show you once it's done. So as you can see, I'm holding it with this hand and pushed it onto both bolts, and I'll put this nut on here, a washer, and then the other side. So I couldn't reach in far enough to hold the nut, so I've put a bit of tape on the base, then the nut, and then tape the nut, so I can push that up and adjust it from the top and get it started hopefully, and see if I can get a socket or a spanner on then. Lights have been fully installed, and it worked out pretty good. I was lucky I had the canopy ply already down, did that a while ago, so it was just a matter of marking my holes, taking my time, making sure it's correct, drilling them out, and mounting the pins, and this is enough for, this is 2 more boards apparently can fit on this because you've got a top latch here, but that's as simple as it is. And I can do it one-handed, and as you can see, there is provisions there for a padlock, so you can run a padlock to make it a little bit harder for someone to try and pinch. But as they say, locks are only deterrent for honest people. If someone wants to get them, they're going to get them, inside or out. They'll smash stuff. So, but for now, that's works for me really good. And stay tuned if you want to see the TRAX lights. You've probably already seen reviews, but I'm going to test them, do a bit of a review, so I'm down the track. If you're interested, like, subscribe, comment. And I'm also eventually, very soon, going to be doing a test on these tyres in the sand. They're an all-out mud tyre, and I'm going to go out and see how they do. Got a few other things to eventually get around and testing as well. But on the road, pretty happy with these tyres. Road noise is yeah, bare to none. Once I've got aircon going, radio I'm listening to inside, bit of music, whatever, so it doesn't bother me at all. Alright guys, till next time, take care.